Anything our masotu here, anybody going on is shy. And it's a pepper in the yaba. Yaba nasi. Na yaba nasi. As a pa or kind and a monto 2 years. The media will be by. So I can be getting the deal. Now, so many moon. And when what's that one of the people who be the Chiasa? Sabrina Mu and a cheap smile as a mechanic say. Lebanon, no, the Bibiano, and into what is over in China, or not as a Bracohian and the Butao. And this was over there, over train. Now, pa, only when you most a ja and any bar. Said the Baya as we do not in a area, a bit me either, I'm Saka. Na fenso so ebisabi ko no so na san kuta hudi na ayede etime sra ho esan se enye se bi gina botin ko na kasa ne ba no tabi o pa put my telephone friend se ba bra na we e be ni sei we be ni sei if you say e be voice the edition one pan sha if you talk ti se we hu e ha na je boni bia se arifefa den doctor ye e na aso ne ba ne nana a apostle. That was it, and they began. I have passed that. I feel no children with a Divia or I see here. Now, for you, pass it down so much and penny for a cheap winning as my friend from my end. It sounds all of my money now. A man of Japadi, a man with Bibia. Tiana was massive, Piper, and a more, and a more than talents. Now, you know, some more in us, you know, be asked to say. The blood, sir. Seven see more than more viable animal food. I'm never go here. If it's a equal, no small for the encounter will say. Every day when you are away, you be a bass will be let me a trap, whereas wide than I am. Such we are in a war. I have my should have before. It's a fair mind. I'm going to show you that. It is a movie ha. There's some teacher. The man I see, the near push. Atakbir. Yo, what can say, you know, answer old man of the year, no, if you say, Reverend Pessoa can be there, so Pessoa Casa, Mama Pine, now was working, now what can we know, Nankayama, Yapini, Bacono, Yanofacrana, and then they are about money chain. Yeah, the son Chiawa, they agree. So, who can say, who can find them now? Also, we can't be a crowd. I find them. Yeah. So, Jamal, please let's quietly listen to Apostle Osubempa, the little addition he will also make.
Yo, Yandamunas, na Yavenda chief of them. As I'm say, watch it, say, or dog, and then you can see, and the bit me or say, you know, how you are. So, your papa, I'm commission. Or say, oh, should be pie me back. Entino, a person be, being an fast with the internal mind. And Teddy that, your papa. Maybe dear papa, and no prepare.
Atakbir.
Na eto so bi mesan so aka se enye nem ko a na ye ba ye papa ha e presim ye be se da ba ye asan ba besra papa enti free ne ko ha ye fie na bi sham nyina so na bi sham
Atakbir. Yedasi. I also know Yamama Yepeni Aladi Gado, chief mom in the advisory board and the chairman. Ono no Pino or Tipino Tiano Pasoka Pino. And I'm Santino or Beckham Brofo or Calipina Montiasi. Into on Beckham Brofo. Na it's from the year of Fabiano. Now you're about old man in China. So Alhaji Gado Mohammed, as the chairman of the advisory board, will say a few words.
First and foremost, on behalf of the National Chief Imam, we wish to thank all of you here for showing so much interest in coming in to witness this event. Again, I want to add this. Muslims and Christians are referred to as faith people. We all have faith in God. This is why they refer to us as faith people. So there is one thing that connects us, the faith in God. Now, the peace that we've had in this country, we have not had any Muslim, Christian, or Ibans like we have in many other countries. It's only because the two main faith groups are at peace with each other, Christians and Muslims. And I hope we should not take it for granted. We have worked for it. We have worked on behalf of the National Chief Imam. We've gone to conferences, we've gone to meetings with Christians, senior Christians. It's all aimed at bringing peace to that. So this is the note. Now we thank Reverend Olusegun for coming all the way to the heart of Zongos in Ghana. This Fadama is the heart of all the Zongos. And despite what has happened, he has come right into it. And we thank him for all that in the name of peace. There are unfortunate parts of what happened. We all know that windows were broken, few things were done. A lot of people maybe do not understand why the youth went out there in their numbers to do what they did. And it's only because people don't take into consideration a fundamental issue in Islam, and that is the issue of prophecy and prophets. We Muslims believe that our Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. That is a fundamental belief in Islam. So, for us to hear that a prophet has predicted the death of our leader is something that a lot of people may not understand. And those who may not understand, obviously, may come out to protest. Because in our religion, the last prophet and the only prophet was that overnight. Now, we want to thank you for coming in order to prolong the peace that we will enjoy. And I think National Chief Imam deserves whatever thanks he gets for the prompt action that he took. But for him, standing out there, seeing him on the TV, hearing him on the radio, telling them that it's all right, take it easy. Perhaps we may not be sitting here today, because only God knows how far that will go. But we thank Allah that by His grace, today we are here together. We hope this will be the beginning of more interaction between the two sides. We should be able, not only when there is a problem, we should be able from time to time to interact with each other. If you have a problem within your circle, the same thing applies to us. If we send me to you, to also talk to you about what is happening. So once again, I don't want to prolong, because there may be others who might want to also comment and say something. We thank you all for coming. Above all, we thank Reverend for making it possible for all of you to be here and to be here himself. We thank you. And I said this should be the beginning of more interaction.
Takbir. Mala takaice don ka samu fahimta shi wanda kakakin su da ya magana ɗazu ya nuna babba gidansa, amma irin manyancin da ka nuna da gaggawa lokacin da muka samu labari wannan tarzoman ya tashi, zancenka da kai da ya kwantar da tarzoma da ya isa gare su shine abin da ya kayatar da shi ba su sha'awa. Sai suka ce in dai zance hakan nan ne sai kuma sai in ya nemi wannan izini ya taso ya zo kawai saboda ya gode maka, don watakila inda ba don zancen da kayin ba da ba mu san irin halin da muke ciki yanzu nan ba. To ma'ana kenan sai suka taso kuma suka ce wai wannan zuwan da aka yi nan taɗi ne tsakanin ɗa da uba. Wai yau cikin zancen da ya yi ce kamar shi yau tun da ya zo wannan gidan ya zama ɗan gida, amma shi ya zo wurin baban shi ne, wurin ubansa ya zo, shi ya ɗauke kai ubansa ne, shi ɗan ƙaramin ɗan kare. Ba yau ne kawai abin zai tuƙi ba, amma tun da ya zo daga yau hakan nan ma za a ta zuwa zama kuma an sababta dankon zumunta tsakaninka da shi, sannan tsakanin musulmama da christians gaba daya. Saboda shi jimshikin zaman ga yau ne shine a gode maka da ka yi wani abin jarumtan da yake a zo a gani cikin zama cikin kalma daya da kai zancen da yake ya kwantar da kuma wannan shine abin da ya ba da sha'awa. Kuma suna kaunan kasan gade kamar da malam kullum kake faɗi, Kirista da Musulmi duka an yi zaman lafiya, akwai tarihin zaman lafiya mai tsawo sosai, kuma kada mu zo bukata irin wannan, suna godiya sosai. I just gave a brief translation of what Reverend Yamadonko, who is the spokesperson for the Christian group here for Apostle Usbampa, and then he himself, what he also said, just a brief translation for him to get a gist, and in his response, we will be able to also say some few words. So I'm going to stop here, and the old man will also say some few words. Chief Imam say, "Moi, mon chien, mon rien on devient." I say, I did be a biara, a papo, a bonio, Yankopon, Yansabi, a teacher. The Bia Biara, Yankopon, Yansabi, the wisdom be a teacher. I say, Sasami or CA. I'm not quite. I'm a queen. I'm a sister. You're going. It's me in your chuckabby. Some way is here. And a bride trouble tinting to you. Near me. I say, I dear be back on why you knew to us here. I see, woman came who say, Yano, Yassi, a back. I say, Ya Yankopon or Frey or Coramonoa on Fred Muslim for and Christopher, I say, Anderson or Frey. Idi Anderson. Say more Anderson for me, Munyankopono, and my mum, Emma, Movie and Firmi. Mina be born on fee, Adam and Eve, Emu. Nami Yamo, Casahoro, Acacia, and Bisa Sam say, I didn't tea name Pombe and Casahoro. I want my young you walk Rosa. I said, Senia, one Casano, moving home. Crack, and yes, sir, Mumba Puntopa, na Montitimo, the Mon how Mohun, say Antissa. I said, son of Cano say, Antissa. Senia, you be home, your home, Senia, see, I'll walk a you dance so, who say, where you're chini, where your house, you know, who send you sit here, Santin and a boy, and sir. I think that you got Osisade wa esi wahu na hyase ebia na anyaw de ne momo ne wieye no na ni giasem. Allahu akbar. Ose badumba biara obibi saa asem we hu a omo se Nyankopon ne papa yo bi ewo mu bi na ma saa asem we esi. Adia Nyankopon ba ye biara no ono a na henie nyansa no etechire.
Allah yana hana ka wani abu amma abin da yana kan shi zama
ebidu bebi a Nyankopon be ma bibi asankan wa kire won ebehwere na so sade ebehwere no na udwie ho pa o kire a na papa de ma o
amma ba kowa ki hanga ba kowa ki
na emmo no ene enye obiara ene onye santi ase we Ase we ene de twana asem bia
Don't worry.
Order, please. Order, please. Come on, Chief Imam, please.
Jama'a ina cikin girmama malam zadabi ku hakuri bari nan yayi sauki da naki malamin su malam da yayi magana mun kabbara ne ba laifi amma wasu maganganun sai mu tada ku hakuri mu girmama malam kan haka to shikenan
Assalamu alaikum. Apostle Owusu Bempah Chief Mama Kasewie na ama bibia pusunu kakra nti o kakra bi opese oka ne toaso nti yentie no
yo ya damase say papa Kasewie eni kwansan kamisa kasakra dizopeni de Kasewie a anka no ano na ne small kan ye no akama
Allah
mafa dansen fi nasibu na ye bompa ye se nyame ba ye adon na ye soso nkabo mu ya bande e betimi a maintain
inshallah
na am say ye see ya no ye san ko enko fasa asem no ma Allah na minim se emra na wo Ghana enti mranche no ba ye sa no edi tumpa se akodi aposifo nsem na nde me papa yi enti ene Ewradinti me pese me ne aposifo mpanifo ne kasa na yetwa asem so
Allah
say me papa Nana Adodankwa Kufuado one me akasa o say ne ba enemy na no kre o pasumdue ewo a Christopher ene yenuano Muslims ntem enu ntino sedi etibia wei eye osom wei enye sabi Ghana assembly but ayo osom ena kofa asade yi nyina baaye tina futu ade ma me no ono soso o kire me say me nan odo bi adi sedi me papa yi eyi odo adi a kire me no na nke betumi amrantie no a omo ho akoka edwa mu no obesre me memfa mani ntu nanim memfa mani ntu ya papa chief mamani na anka yenyan manenka eni ama ase wa soro ne yan beye enti yene ya papa IGP ene ya maame tiwa a oye CID fo nyina pani ebe kasa na maka kiro mo se me papa ya ma pani Nana Adodankwa Kufuado odo a owo ede ma woson eye Kristosom ene yenuano Muslim sosom enu ntino na futu a watumi no mesome ne CID pani no eye ya maame tiwa ebe kasa se asem yentwam
Atakbir
na yenyi fi police nsem kura Fisese deɛ si wɔ ha no ɛyɛ ɔdɔ kɛseɛ paa na ada na mɛkɔ so ara san da me papa chief imam ase na madane mpanifoɔ nyinaa ase na afei no yɛama Ghanafoɔ nyinaa hu sɛ sɛdeɛ papa kaeɛ no ɔdɔ aba bɛda yɛn nyinaa yɛntɛm Kristofoɔ ɛne yɛn nuanom Muslimifoɔ yɛayɛ baako na yɛyɛ baako firi tete ɛno nti bra mede masɛm ɛba awie yi mpanifoɔ a asɛm yi baeɛ wɔn ɛfrɛ me wɔn mba bɛsra me wɔn hyɛ me nkran mekae paa sɛ me papa ɛne me kasaeɛ ɛwɔ furu so na ɔne me kasaeɛ n'ano anadwo bi no makoma tɔ me yɛ paa na m'ani gye na medae paa so san sɛ mahunu sɛ asomdwoeɛ ɛwɔ ne mu na yɛ papa a ɔyɛ IGP ɛna n'abɛdi akyire ɛne yɛ maame tiwa ɔno so ɔfrɛ me ne me di nkɔmmɔ ɛka nsɛm bi a na ɛyɛ a na ɛyɛ asomdwoeɛ nsɛm nti nyame nhyira yɛ maame tiwa na afei so mpanifoɔ te sɛ chief of staff ɛyɛ yɛ maame Firima Opariado ɔno so frɛ me ɛne me kasae ɛkyekyere me werɛ ɔsom ahodoɔ yɛn nuanom MPP ne yɛn nuanom NDC mpanifoɔ bebree frɛ me ɛhyɛ me nkran ɛne asɔfoɔ mpanifoɔ Archbishop Duncan Williams ɛna yɛ papa Istu Anaba Reverend Victor Sey ɛne Reverend Duncan Niako sɔfo Isaac ɛne asɔfoɔ mpanifoɔ mu frɛ me ɛhyɛ me nkran na me hyira obiara ɛnyɛ obiara na metumi abɔ ne din me maame amabusi a ɛne mpanifoɔ bebree yɛn nua Samia Uku mpanifoɔ ne nyinaa yɛ papa a wɔwɔ ha Mr. Nyama Donko ɛna me nua Mr. Sane ɛna me papa a yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛhyia mu wɔ ha no meda wɔn ase ɛna mo so a mobaa ha so meda obiara ase enti no ɛberɛ a mede mo asɛm no bɛsi nyame nhyira yɛ papa nyame nto no nkwam yɛdeɛ yɛbɛkɔ so ade mpaabɔ ata n'akyi na menim sɛ nyame nhyira ɛwɔ no so no ɛbɛyɛ kɛseɛ akyere da biara ɛda mu nyinaa ase
Take the picture. That's what we want. This one is the one we like.
Imam one.
This is the one we like.
Imam one.
Eti medama say emrantie hene soso eba sorry eba besraye ono so nyame nhira no
Amen.
medamu nyina ase amen
Hello. Ya koro su yayi godiya kwarai yayin da shugaban kasa da wadansu manya duka suka kira suka ba shi nasiha kuma samu yayi shi ma yazo wai na yabawa da kai sifan kana da zaman lafiya this is supposed to be a very short event. On my own behalf, on behalf of the eminent National Chief Imam, I want to thank also Bampa and his elders for taking time off their busy schedules and in seeking to build a very strong foundation for interfaith collaboration and understanding. If this thing hadn't happened, probably we will not even get this interaction. So now we know ourselves, and from time to time we shall be interacting. We thank you so much, the media. We thank you so much, Imam Police, Imam Hussein. We thank you so much, Alhaji Gado, and all the elders advisory board. Thank you so much. All the other members from the community. Thank you so much. May Allah bless all of us. We will take the closing prayer, and then we end the event. Please, Zamwe Adua. Yeah. We are. Oh, you want to leave this news here? Oh, mention. Okay. We want to. You want me to mention it for you too? Yeah. In fact, the elders here who are around the chief imam, or the chief imam side, is what I want to mention to you, probably for your. We have Dr. Sheikh Usman Nur Sharubutu, the national chief imam, was here with us. We have myself, the spokesperson of the eminent national chief imam. We have Alhaji Abubakar Sharubutu, the son of the national chief imam, and his driver. We have Dr. Alhaj Amidu Bonsu, who is also one of the eminent Muslim scholars here. He is also with us. we have Al-Hajj Chief Munhamina Usman, whom I introduced earlier on. We have Al-Haji Huzaima. Yeah, Huzaima, maybe the spellings we can correct it. He's also a personal assistant to the National Chief Imam. Chief Buhari, what is that? Maidabandabang, yeah. My brother here, who is the chief of the youth in the area. Alhaji Gado Muhammad, who is our chairman. Have I mentioned Abdul Latif? Abdul Latif Abdul Salam is also here. So just for your records, we have started to let you know all these things are members of the advisory board and also some functionaries around the National Chief Imam. Having done this, please quiet. We'll take the prayer. We'll take the closing prayer, and then we will break. Madam, please, let's take the prayer. Amen. 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 رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله. Please.
Not this place.
Bolek. Tomaga.
Okay.